Hey, what's up? This is should be very short, but I traded two stocks yesterday, and um, this stock right here, ticker symbol CBNG. It had a merger yesterday with another company, so the stock went from $14.50 roughly to a high of I think $20. So pre-market, I don't know if that it was purposely done like that or because of the merger the price went up. So same pre-market and that it went up so much from here to here. Um, that's a pretty big gap up, and I was just like watching it to see what it was gonna do, playing the bet against it. Resistance. I was playing off of the resistance of 20. I got in at 1950, shorting it at 1950. So I was anticipating it to just have a quick dump, short that, get out, and then try to see if it was bounce and short higher. But it was a complete opposite. This stock literally went sideways the whole day. I shorted like 400 shares um, at like 1950, and it just sideways price action. So I'm assuming the reason why I did this, I got out because I'm like I'm not gonna sit through this whole entire sideways price action. I knew it was gonna continue to do this all day because I've seen stocks that do this. And the liquidity was very very low. Like literally nobody was trading this stock. But I guess when they merge, the price goes up, but it's not like it goes up because somebody bought the shares. It's just they changed the price on the stock because of the merge. So you take two companies, which have one company has a certain dollar amount, and another company has another dollar amount. You put them together, you got 19.20, or you got $19, you got $20. So that's what happened. I'm assuming that's what happened. So that's why the stock just continued to go sideways, and there was no dump. There was nothing because nobody really bought in. So I exited my trade. I made probably didn't even make anything. I probably made like I think I made like $10 or $15 from that. Um, Stock literally didn't go anywhere. And this stock, ticker symbol BOXL. Pre-market, it's had its spike. I hate when it does this. Pre-market had its spike. Um, then it faded and bounced and it went to a higher high pre-market. I started shorting somewhere around here. Can't remember how much, but I got in small because I was anticipating that it would bounce and then I'll just short higher. But I got in small and it faded, and then you know it came down. I was like, maybe I should cover right here. Then it pulled back some more. I'm like, okay, I should cover right here. Then it pulled that back some even more. I'm like, okay, I really should cover right here. This is a decent drop, about I think it was almost about over 20% drop. And from watching Vitani, he covers every 10 cent. Um, and I pushed it over 20. So I'm like, okay, I should cover here, but I didn't. And it had this nice bounce. And I had to sit there and wait through the bounce. I added some shares like right here, thinking it wasn't gonna bounce more. And it bounced some more up to here. And then I just covered right here. And then it just began to fade, fade, fade. And then, no, sorry about that. No, I added up here, it bounced, then it consolidated, and I saw that it was going sideways right here. and I covered right here because I'm like, okay, I see it going sideways. Anytime a stock goes sideways, it's gonna build momentum to push up, possibly, and bounce from what I learned from Gertani. And I'm like, okay, I'm out. Then when I got out, it had this minor bounce, this quick pop up perk, and then it really bounced right here. Um, it really bounced right here, and then it consolidated and pops and faded. It overall it wasn't a good trade in my eyes. I could have played this a lot better, but mainly I could have sized in a bit more, cover when I saw it would needed to be covered, and then when I saw it bouncing, just play the bounce. But one of the biggest mistakes, another big mistake that I made again was not staying on the computer watching the markets to look for any other opportunities. There was another opportunity right here where I could have shorted up in here, you know, with the risk of high day, short right here and have it fade. But because I walked away from the computer and went to do something else, I missed the opportunity.